In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect AirPods Max to Airplane. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you travel often and you aren't able to connect your AirPods Max to these terminals or these headphone jacks in an airplane, then follow the instructions in this video and you will be able to get it done. So, the primary connection type for headphones while traveling for most airlines is going to be a headphone jack. Of course, because of this and the inability of connecting them over Bluetooth, setting up your AirPods Max can be quite tricky, but there are some workarounds to this. The main one is going to be by using something like AirFly. There are other alternatives. All this is going to do is plug into the headphone jack of your flight, and after you plug it in, you will be able to connect your AirPods Max to the device. So you connect it wirelessly to the device, and after it is done, you will be able to listen to anything that is currently playing on the media player of your flight. So it is simple to do. You can see here by the pictures. You can even use it on other sorts of headphone jacks. So all that you have to do is plug it in here and then connect it wirelessly to the device itself. So you press the button physically on it. It is going to cost you $34.99 and it is available on 12 South. So look for the AirFly. They have the AirFly Pro and AirFly SE. The SE is basically a cut down version of the Pro, so it will have slightly less hours of battery life. But besides this, it should be the same product. The only other option that you have is to purchase a Lightning to 3.5mm cord. Depending on the model of your AirPods Pro, you might want USB-C to 3.5mm. It doesn't matter. The point is, you need a 3.5mm connector to plug it in to the flight, and then after it is done, you will plug the other end of the cable, so Lightning or USB-C, into the AirPods Max. So you plug it in here and you will be able to establish a wired connection, which also allows you to use your AirPods Max on the flight. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect AirPods Max to Airplane. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.